Wanjiko Wanjiru.
On to a report that you should really focus on. And tonight, counties are spending like there's no crisis, while Kenyans struggle to survive. Imagine your governor spending 5 million on a speaker's housewarming, 3.6 million on Christmas tree lighting, and 55 million of your money on seedlings in Mandera. Senators have exposed what could be overspending and delivering. The Senate is asking the tough questions. However, the real question tonight is who is serving the people and who is serving themselves? Our political affairs reporter Grace Nganga has more.
As ordinary Kenyans wrestle with drought, unpaid bills and shrinking incomes, a troubling pattern has emerged inside county government's extravagance in the middle of crisis.
I thought we had seen crazier things.
Appearing before the Public Accounts Senate Committee, chaired by Homa Bay Senator Moses Kajwang, governors and senior county officials of various counties offered explanations that only deepened concerns about how devolved units are prioritizing public resources. In Vihiga, a county choking under 1.7 billion shillings in pending bills, auditors flagged 5 million shillings spent on a speaker's housewarming. Contractors remain unpaid, services stalled, yet public funds found their way into ceremony and comfort.
You sat down in cabinet, a paper is presented, the speaker is warming his house, he needs 5 million to do so. We send it to him. Give us the floor.
Money that was given was for the official opening of the speaker's house. That's what I know, but the writing here,
Governor, the narration here.
the narration here.
The narration.
The contradiction is stark. A county pleading poverty to suppliers while undermining luxury for political office holders. In Bungoma, questions arose over 3 million shillings spent on a Christmas tree. In isolation, the amount may sound modest, but in a county grappling with underfunded health facilities, the symbolism is damaging.
How do you allow yourselves to budget such expenditure? How do you sit down as members of county assembly and say that we'll light a Christmas tree in September and we'll give the executive 3.6 million?
In a county such as Bungoma with all our challenges, Chair. You know, it doesn't make any sense.
3.68 million for Christmas tree celebration.
This is
at 2019.
The most glaring revelation came from Mandera, where scrutiny intensified over 55.9 million shillings spent on seedlings in a drought-prone region.
In a county that has perennial drought situations.
55.9 million can do around 55 ECD classrooms, or can do a number of water tracking in the area.
He's also now is harassing me.
Meanwhile, in policy goal, but senators questioned whether spectacle had replaced substance.
These are those criminals who know they are breaking the law. These ones, remember.
Taken together, these cases expose a deeper problem. Counties are governing as though accountability is optional and optics are policy. The danger is not just wasted money, it is eroded public trust. When pending bills balloon, contractors collapse, hospitals run out of supplies, and farmers face climate shocks, every shilling we spend tightens the noose around service delivery. This is no longer about accounting errors. It is about whether devolution is serving the people or those in power. Grace Nganga, KTN.
Over to you, Kenyans, when it comes to the